This is SGT Times, bringing news from campus buzz to the world. I am Ayushman Pandey, and here's what's making headlines. Waves 2025 kicks off in grand style. Commercial LPG prices slashed by Rs 14.50. SGT University hosts AI-focused HR Meet 2025. SGT University celebrates unity through cultural fests. Here's a detailed look at our stories. Waves Summit 2025 began today in Mumbai, inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The 4-day global event aims to position India as a creative and entertainment powerhouse. We bring you the details.
Waves 2025 commenced today at the Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurating the Grand Summit, held under the theme Connecting Creators, Connecting Countries. The event witnessed an opening performance by M.M. Keeravani's orchestra and a cinematic tribute narrated by Sharad Kelkar. Bollywood stars, global tech leaders, and renowned artists came together to celebrate India's storytelling legacy. The summit was organized by FICCI and the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, marked a defining moment in India's entertainment industry. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Oil marketing companies have reduced the price of 19 kg commercial LPG cylinders from May 1. This revision brings some relief to businesses battling high operational costs. Let's have a look.
In a consumer-friendly move, oil marketing companies have cut the price of 19 kg commercial LPG cylinders by Rs 14.50, effective from 1st May 2025. The new price in Delhi stands at 1,747.50, with other metro cities also seeing revised rates. While domestic LPG prices remain unchanged, this reduction is expected to benefit hotels, restaurants, and small-scale industries that rely on commercial gas for daily operations. The move comes as part of the monthly pricing policy adopted by OMCS, offering timely respite and inflation. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's pause for a short break. We'll be back soon.
Step into the spotlight at SGT University. Join the Faculty of Mass Communication and Media Technology, where innovation meets excellence. Experience our top-tier infrastructure, a dynamic news recording studio, advanced podcast lab, high-tech PCR, and a professional shooting floor, all equipped with the latest industry technology. Our curriculum, designed to meet industry demands, offers real-world projects that set you apart. Learn from seasoned industry professionals and gain insights from renowned personalities and industrial icons. Ready to make headlines? Ignite your media career at SGT University.
Welcome back. Here's what's next in the news. SGT University's Faculty of Commerce and Management held a dynamic HR meet where industry leaders and experts explored AI's evolving role in reshaping human resources. Let's take a closer look at the news.
In collaboration with the Corporate Connect Center, the Faculty of Commerce and Management at SGT University organized an insightful HR meet titled Re-envisioning HR in the Era of AI. The event featured 2 panel discussions with top HR leaders from KPMG, CVENT, Lumax, and more, diving deep into AI integration, ethics, and the human touch in HR. With expert moderation and participation, the meeting highlighted how AI is not a replacement but a powerful tool to enhance decision-making, empathy, and organizational growth. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
SGT University hosted a vibrant 3-day cultural event, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat 2025. Students from various states showcased diversity through competitions, colors, and culture. We bring you the details.
SGT University came alive with the spirit of unity in diversity during the 3-day extravaganza Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat 2025, From April 24 to 26, the shooting hall became a canvas of cultures, with competitions like Desh Ke Rang, Nritya Ke Sang, Apni Boli, Apna Raag, Hamari Dharohar, and Libas. Students proudly represented states like Manipur, Uttarakhand, Telangana, Odisha, and many more. Each performance was a tribute to India's rich heritage, from soulful folk songs to vibrant ramp walks and monument-making marvels. The event promoted cultural understanding and celebrated the essence of being Indian in every form. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
This wraps up today's bulletin. SGT Times bids you goodbye for now. See you soon with more important news.